Who says your hair cannot retain moisture for days? Who? Well, all of the things, natural ingredients and natural things that you need to keep your hair moisturized for days are available, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you this easy recipe on how you can make this natural remedy to keep your hair moisturized for days. So welcome back to the channel. Thank you for all your support, and if you're new, you're most welcomed. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. On this channel, it's all about natural hair and natural beauty remedies, and in today's video I'm sharing with you this simple natural remedy to keep your hair moisturized for days. So without further ado, let's dive into making this hair treatment. So the first ingredient we're going to be using is rose water. You can use rose water or any other floral water available to you. Of course, to keep your hair moisturized, you need water or moisture. Water or moisture is the key ingredient in keeping your hair moisturized. And so this is the reason we're using rose water here, or any floral water available to you. Feel free to use it. So into this bowl, I'm adding half cup of my rose water, and next ingredient is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a humectant that will help to draw in moisture into your hair, and this way your hair will remain moisturized. It will help to draw in moisture, trap in moisture as well into your hair to keep your hair moisturized for a longer period of time. Now, if you do not have vegetable glycerin, you can use other humectants. There's castor oil and there's also honey. Feel free to use them in place of vegetable glycerin. I am also adding aloe vera juice. If you have aloe vera gel, feel free to use it. I am adding aloe vera juice for further moisturization. It is also a humectant that will help to draw in moisture. It will further moisturize your hair and keep your hair well moisturized for days. Next ingredient is vitamin E. I'm adding a drop of vitamin E. If you're using the capsule one capsule would be just fine. Vitamin E will help to nourish and strengthen your hair. Finally, I'm adding essential oil, and I'm using rosemary essential oil. Now you can use any essential oil available to you. I prefer to use rosemary essential oil because it is very potent at promoting hair growth. Rosemary essential oil is very great for nourishing the hair, and it also adds a nice scent, like a nice fragrance to this hair treatment or hair mist. So after you add all of the ingredients, make sure you stir properly to combine all of them together. Then pour it into a clean bottle. You want to make sure your bottle is clean because we're not adding preservative to this. So pour it into a clean bottle, shake it properly, and voila, your hair treatment, hair mist, hairspray, whichever one you choose to call it, is ready. This is what you're going to be using to keep your hair moisturized for days. Now I'm going to go ahead to share with you how I use this. So basically there are three ways you can use this to keep your hair moisturized. The first one is to use it as a hair rinse. Now after shampooing your hair using your rinse out conditioner, making sure that you've properly rinsed your hair, then go ahead and pour this hair treatment all over your hair and let it air dry. Second way is to use it as a hairspray or hair mist all over your hair. Even if you're wearing protective hairstyle, just spray it all over your hair, let it get into your scalp. This way it will keep your hair from drying out, it will moisturize your hair and also moisturize your scalp and keep flakes away. The third way is to use it in your conditioning regimen or in your conditioning routine. Like after cleansing your hair, when you want to style your hair, or you just want to moisturize your hair, just spray it all over your hair. Use it in place of ordinary water to spray all over your hair, because this hairspray has a lot of humectant in it, which will not just moisturize your hair but will help to trap in moisture into your hair. So it has a lot of humectant. It has aloe vera, it has vegetable glycerin to help moisturize and trap in moisture into your hair. Now, after spraying it all over your hair and massaging it right into your hair, you want to go in with your leave-in conditioner and apply your leave-in conditioner. Massage it into your hair properly. Don't forget the tip of your hair, which is the oldest part of your hair that is prone to breakage. So you want to apply your leave-in conditioner and then finally seal in all of that moisture with either your hair butter or a hair growth oil, any hair oil of your choice. Here I'm using my Chebe hair butter that I've shared here on this channel. I'm using it to seal in this moisture. So seal in the moisture with your hair butter or hair oil. You want to seal in this moisture. This way you are allowing your hair to retain moisture for days. So the season we are right now, our hair tends to dry out fast, and our scalp, if not well moisturized, is likely to flake up a lot. So you want to make sure that you moisturize your hair. Use this hair mist or hairspray. Use it all over your hair. Even if you're wearing a protective hairstyle, just use it to spray all over your hair, and you would notice that your hair is going to remain moisture for days. Like, it will amaze you. It's a very nice hair treatment that will keep your hair from drying out. Moisturizing your hair or hydrating your hair is the best way to prevent hair breakage. Most of the time when you're experiencing hair breakage, it's likely that your hair is dry and brittle. A dry hair or brittle hair is likely to break often. So to reduce breakage, to reduce split ends, make sure you moisturize your hair, you hydrate your hair properly, especially in this season that we are right now. Hydrate your hair and moisturize it properly. And this hair treatment that I've just shared with you is a great way to hydrate your hair. In place of using ordinary water, make this treatment. It has natural ingredients and non-toxic ingredients that your hair and scalp will be thankful for. So go ahead and make this simple recipe. Now, in terms of the humectant that I used vegetable glycerin, but you can use either honey, you can use hyaluronic acid as well, or even castor oil will still be fine. So feel free to use a good humectant available to you. Add it to your rose water or any floral water, adding your vitamin E or any other antioxidant of your choice, and go ahead to fragrance it up with any essential oil of your choice, and you have an amazing hair mist or hairspray you can use this season to prevent hair breakage. So I do hope you find this video very helpful, and whoever says that your hair cannot retain moisture for days, please share this recipe or tutorial with them and let them make theirs to keep their hair moisturized for a longer period of time. So I do hope you have found this video or tutorial very helpful, and do give it a try. And if at this point you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing community. Do not forget to like this video, hit the like button to support this channel, and also I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful.